Good morning. We've got a dry and a warm weekend ahead. The sunshine might be a little bit hazy at times, but those temperatures will be on the up. I'll have all the details in about 15 minutes.
Thanks, Sarah.
Picture that blue sky. That couldn't be bluer.
Yeah, good morning to you both. Absolutely. We've got some blue skies in the forecast through this weekend, and almost across the board, things are set to stay dry. So things are going to be warming up. The sunshine will turn a little bit hazy at times, I think, today, but there will be plenty of sunshine around, and certainly those temperatures are going to be on the rise over the next few days. You can see the yellow colours that are with us at the moment replaced by these orange hues spilling in from the near continent. So that means those temperatures really set to be on the rise into next week. But for today, it's actually quite a fresh start to the morning. We have got plenty of sunshine, particularly across England and Wales. A little bit more cloud for parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland, particularly for northern Scotland. A few spots of rain for the Northern Highlands up towards the Northern Isles as well, but dry elsewhere. A little bit more high cloud just drifting its way south later on in the day, so things will be turning a little bit more hazy. Quite breezy conditions for the north of Scotland, but lighter winds elsewhere, and those temperatures doing pretty well, between around 17 to 18 in the north, whereas further south we're likely to see those temperatures up to around 23 or 24 degrees. And it stays dry and settled through the evening hours. A lovely evening for a barbecue out there. We've still got that cloud just lingering to the north of Scotland with a few spots of rain up towards Shetland. Dry elsewhere though to start your Sunday morning, and it will feel quite fresh again, but I think not quite as cool as it has been, in fact, over the past couple of nights. And high pressure well and truly with us through into the second half of the weekend. That is keeping the weather fronts at bay, clearing away from the Northern Isles. Elsewhere, not a lot of isobars on the map, so not a particularly breezy day, I think. Light winds, dry conditions, and again, we've got some sunshine. I think more sunshine tomorrow than we've got out there today. A little bit less in the way of high cloud. Could be just a little bit chilly around some of these eastern and southeast coasts with the breeze coming in from the sea here. But I think temperatures tomorrow a few degrees warmer than today for most of us. We could see 25 Celsius or so. A repeat performance on Monday. Dry, sunny, a little bit warmer once again, and we've got light winds across much of the country. So by the time we get to Monday, temperatures widely in the mid-20s, some of us up in the high 20s. And here's the outlook for some of our towns and cities over the next week or so. Temperatures doing really well into the mid-20s. Some of us just about pushing 30 degrees, I think, through the course of next week. It'll probably be somewhere through the Midlands, certainly to the west of London, that we see those highest temperatures. But UV levels are high, pollen levels are high, but certainly a very summery forecast for you. And we are likely to see next week those temperatures peaking at around 30 degrees. John and Naga.
It's felt like we've had that already, though. Sometimes it is like unbearably hot. Look, I'm not moaning. I'm happy.
Don't complain.
No, I'm not complaining at all. But it feels like it has hit that, Sarah.
Yeah, it has been pretty warm. We haven't hit 30 degrees yet, but actually the month of June has been particularly warm, certainly above average, really across the board, and pretty dry as well. So I think some of us sort of crossing our fingers for a bit of rain for our gardens.
Yeah, rain at night, sun during the day. Thanks, Sarah.